lie. I bought rainbow monkey plushies. Y'all remember that? From Kids Next Door? Yeah, I bought 2. And I want to share it with you guys. Let's go. Don't look at me like that. Don't pretend like you never wanted a rainbow monkey of your own. And don't pretend like you didn't want to join the Kids Next Door. Because I'm not going to pretend here in front of this camera, in front of nobody, and say I didn't want to join when I did. I'm too old now. But I'm not too old to get a rainbow monkey, bitch! So I got a red one, I got a blue one. Oh my God, just give me a second,
Be free, little one. Be free!
This feels so right. Like reconnecting with an old friend that like you've never met, but you know of. Here's the blue one. Oh! Ah! Be free. Be free. Oh my God. Oh my God. Calm down, Christina. Calm down. Even though you've been waiting for this your entire life. Look at him. The tail.
Spiraling into childhood madness.